So in this video you are going to see how I had a fantastic day after work with my goddaughter and my bestie, and it is so nice. Like, I feel like we don't have enough time, and with work and stuff like that, and she also going to school, is crazy. How do we really get to see each other? And my friend literally took my goddaughter up to my workplace when she knew that I was close to finishing work, and that just made me feel so good, obviously, because I was seeing her in a very long time. And then after work we literally went to the park where we could see the deer and things like that, and we took some stroll and we had something to eat afterward. It was so unwinding. And you know, I just wanted to say that however you can find time, whenever, and the sacrifices and compromises that you can make one for another, you guys should try to put that into some thoughts, because sometimes we get so busy we don't have time for nothing, or we say, oh, I don't have time, we're busy and stuff like that. But sometimes one party is going to or need to sacrifice. The greatest love of all is sacrifice. So in this video you will see what happened after work, and it was amazing, and I was so grateful and I'm thankful. I had a fantastic time. Mind you, I got my friend to try the pumpkin spice latte and she loves it. We had such a good time at the train station as well, and it was so good. However, before that, you would have seen that I've posted a previous video, and that is all in the same day. Obviously, I do enjoy showing you how I commute to work, and of course life is not easy. We work, we need to pay our bills and stuff like that, so it can never be easy, but we give God thanks for everything, because challenges, you know, allowed us to grow, and we gain more experiences, knowledge and wisdom, and you know, find ways of doing things better. So yeah, enjoy this video and see what transpired after work today with my goddaughter, because I had a blast of a time and I want to show it with you guys. Actually, we've got to take it out, guys.
No, we're not doing it.
We've got to take it out.
I still do it.
Imani's actually having a ball of a time.
I haven't even seen you doing it. Did you actually doing it?
You look gorgeous. I know. Yeah, she's not. Yeah,
I know, it's her.
I know.
It has nothing to do with it.
Yeah. The goddaughter is here. The ice cream truck is here, and everything is on point here. Where's Sonia? Oh, she's up there.
There's a lot of sorbets here.
Okay.
Actually with dairy. So any fruit flavoured ice cream there.
Yeah.
Is dairy free.
Oh, okay, cool. Did actually ask if you wanted any. You said they didn't. So, yeah, but you can't go close to them. I said to Sonia, you can't go close. I said that, oh, you can't go close to deer. She's like, oh, deer can't jump out on deer. You can't. Who you calling a deer? You're too much. Honestly. Yeah, they came to meet me after work. So gorgeous. I'm not going close to those things. I am telling you, I'm not going close to them, because they're not going to jump. Babes, they're not jumping out on me. That's what I'm telling you. You can't do it. That's what I'm telling you, Sonia. She said the deers won't jump out because deers won't jump on deers. Who's she calling the deer? She's too much. Babes, have you not seen that the people up there? Have a look.
That's what I'm trying
they
to
are
say.
far.
They are near.
Yeah, but the people are viewing far as well. I'm not going close, right, Imani?
And they're all far. They're only just moved.
I am not going close to them. They're not jumping out on me. I'm sorry. Oh my God, just no. We can't go in there. It's mating season for them now, babe. So honestly, they will jump out. We've got to be careful. It's mating. It's mating. I mean, we're interfering in privacy, babe. We're interfering in privacy. I can't. It's too much. So why is Imani moved like that?
Go a little bit nearer.
Is she
They're
still...
your family.
Sonia, That is out of order. This feels like, you know when you're in Jamaica and the cows, I have no idea. I have no idea what is down there, guys. Yeah, but there's something else is up that side that we need to go and check it out because there's a lot of people coming from up that angle. I told you I didn't come this far.
We can see it.
Only because it's a lot of walking, but you know how I roll. We don't do walking like that. Don't you not think? Ow. I got to keep my distance because I'm telling you, if that thing run, I'm dashing down my handbag and running. Nothing. Have you not seen the horns? Oh my god. Because I cannot run with the handbag.
Why?
It's interfering. He's actually capturing stuff as well. So we need to. Why? I am not your money actually. Why you come around for me to shield? I can't even shield myself. So much like getting so much attention, so it's like totally is aware. No, actually Iman is just running behind me, just knowing it. What happened? Oh my god. I just can't. Sonia, did you not see those roses there? Look.
The tree.
No, the white roses, babe. Look, we still got some little roses here.
Right here.
Yeah. It's so cute.
The flowers.
I do. I'll go come from there as well. You see? It's so nice. Should we go over there and pick some?
Wicked.
But it's just really nice. Imani looks like she's cold.
When you cold? Huh? Sorry? Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you cold? Let me take you on the picture of the river. You're acting like you're this.
You got the
Jumping nice enough. Jumping enough.
Kobe can't do the Titanic. No! Listen! Oh gosh.
Huh?
Is it? So after the extreme walking of seeing all the deers in Richmond Hill Park, and as well down by the river where Petersham, that direction, we decided to unwind in all-in-one bar. First of all, we had to check with someone in all-in-one bar if Imani was allowed, because obviously she's a child, and they did say that up until 8 o'clock, and we had enough time because it was just 6:30 and we were really hungry. So we went in, we were accommodated, we were well looked after. I've been in all-in-one bar before, but not with a child, so it was kind of good to know now that yes, they are allowed up until 8 o'clock. So we had an amazing time, and we had something nice to eat. Of course, prawns has to be selected for me. Imani had like some sort of burger or whatever. Why was her meals more expensive than me and Sonia? Hilarious. Anyway, so I'll just let you continue to enjoy. There was a lot of music playing and stuff like that, so this is one of the reasons why I have to voice over. So take the rest of the video to yourself. are heading into Black Sheep. That is Black Sheep right there. I'm gonna make sure that
a special one that we're gonna have.
you're gonna try the pumpkin spice.
I think I need that one.
And Imani is gonna get the waffle, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, you're sure about that.
Just to repeat it back, 1 Nutella strawberry waffle, 1 pumpkin spice latte
For
with
Sonia,
regular milk,
yes, regular milk,
regular
Sonia.
milk,
Yes, it
and
is.
1 apple crumble matcha latte with oat milk.
Yes.
Perfect. So that'll be 16.70 altogether.
I am trying. What am I trying again?
Apple crumble.
I am trying the apple crumble.
Oh, you've never had that?
No.
Okay.
Sonia will be testifying about the pumpkin spice latte. And I'm trying the apple crumble. I didn't even know that they had an apple
But I
crumble.
thought about it.
What did you talk?
Thingy.
Pumpkin spice. Oh. That's for you though. Huh? Keep us warm on the train, babes. He's like so used to seeing us all the time. Well, see me all the time. Oh, is this the
And your
crumble?
pumpkin spice.
And the pumpkin spice.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, that looks so good.
Thank you.
Here you go, my lovely. Say thank you. Yeah. So that being said, I do hope you enjoy the video. You can give me a like, you can share, you can tell your friends and your family about my channel. Continue to engage with me in the comment section as I will continue to engage with you as well. The same thank you for those who recently subscribed to my channel, and for I don't know, it's just nice to bond the relationship that many of us has so far created. I truly appreciate you for reacting to my videos. The same support is a key. Don't forget to check out, in case you want to travel or you're planning to travel, or you know someone that is going to travel, to check the description box of my last video of Jolly Day Travel and take it from there and let them do all the work for you. I'm in the field of hospitality, so I literally take care of every guest prior to their arrival and their journey and expectations. So yeah, let Jolly Day Travel do the work for you. Give them a call, go and check them out on Instagram, email address is there, any queries you've got, just anything, and they will sort it out for you. Okay, so with that being said, I do hope once again that you had enjoyed this video and it was somewhat. Take your children to Richmond Park or something, I don't know. Yeah, but those deers, they were a little bit like scary. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I am exhausted, and until next time, goodbye.